Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a really cool looking 2015 Victory Gunner. This bike has just a little under 1,800 miles on it and is in mint condition. It's pretty much all stock. It does have a couple of OEM accessories on it and really one aftermarket. So let's take our walk around. I'll show you that stuff and then we will fire it up. Excuse me. This bike is super clean. Tires on it are still in great shape with the bike only having 1,800 miles on it. Excuse me. I'm all choked up over it. So the one addition on it is aftermarket driver pegs. It has an OEM solo seat, but it does have OEM passenger pegs on it. So that is pretty much it. Otherwise, this bike is all stock and ready to rock. Really just a nice, clean looking cruiser. This bike also comes with the forward controls. Alright. 1,788 miles is what's on this bike. This Victory Gunner will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes. There's a blast from the past.